मेरा फेस कट देखो यार, मैं मॉडल बन सकता हूं, मैं मॉडल बनूंगा. सो गाइज, मॉडलिंग 101 are people who teach you how to become a model and they teach you the do's and the don'ts of becoming a model. और मेरा बॉडी, मेरा फेस कट, मेरा ना सब एकदम मॉडल वाला है क्या. So I thought I'll call them up and ask if I can become a model, and this is what happened.
हेलो.
हेलो, मॉडलिंग 101 चैतन्य.
हाँ बोलिए.
हाँ भाई, अपने को ना मॉडल बनने का है, तो क्या सीन है मॉडलिंग 101 का.
ओके, एनी प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस?
हाँ, एक्सपीरियंस बोलेगा तो मतलब अभी देखो ना, अभी 2020 चल रहा है ना, मतलब 2020, 2019, 18, 15 मिनट का एक्सपीरियंस है ना अपने को.
सॉरी.
हाँ, वो अभी 15 मिनट पहले सोचा ना, इसीलिए. ऐसा वो क्या है, टिकटॉकर लोग को देखा ना, ऐसा कुछ भी शक्ल लेके आते, बाल में हेयर स्प्रे का पूरा फैक्ट्री का माल एक साथ घुसेड़ के, ऐसा तो अपन को लगा अपन तो बन ही जाएगा ना. मतलब अपना तो फेस कट भी अच्छा है, बॉडी वॉडी भी सही है एकदम. मतलब उन लोग को देख के अपन भी थोड़ा इंटेस्टाइन हो गया ऐसा.
इंस्पायर?
हाँ, वो भी हुआ ना, दोनों हो गया अपन ऐसा. तो क्या है, बताओ ना, क्या सिखाते हैं मॉडलिंग 101 के अंदर में.
सो मॉडलिंग 101 की बेसिकली 3 सेशन होते हैं, ठीक है. पहला सेशन इज अबाउट योर करंट प्रोफाइल, हाउ यू कैन मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ द मार्केट बेस्ड ओनली अपॉन योर करंट प्रोफाइल. ठीक है, आपके जो करंट फोटोज है या फिर अगर नहीं है देन आपको कैसे लोगों को अप्रोच करना चाहिए, उस सब के बारे में. द सेकेंड वन इज अबाउट हाउ टू मेक योर सेल्फ मोर अप्रोचेबल टू द कमिंग मार्केट, यानी हाउ टू मेक अ पोर्टफोलियो दैट इज मोर मार्केट फ्रेंडली, how to approach brands, how to approach people who are casting coordinators. Also we talk about auditions and how to approach them as well. Auditions कहाँ होते हैं, all of it. The third session is basically about what more you want to know from me. So it can be any of your questions, या फिर अगर आपको लगता है कि ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जो मैंने कवर नहीं की है या आपको और जाननी है, including how to approach agencies and everything. You can be upfront and you can ask me about all those questions in the third session. By the way, इसके अलावा we are providing complimentary sessions by ace makeup artist Mukul Richards. So she will be talking about grooming, about skincare, hair care, what kind of products you need for your basic makeup, and what kind of products you need to carry in your vanity on shoots or even otherwise. So that's about modeling 101. आप बताइए आपको कब रजिस्टर करना है एंड आई विल सेंड यू द फॉर्म.
सही है, मतलब एकदम क्या, मतलब ऐसा पब्लिक एकदम सही पूरा सीखेगा ना डिटेल में, मतलब एकदम सही. अपने को फिर भी एक बात पूछने का था कि ऐसा तुम लोग के मॉडलिंग 101 में ऐसा कास्टिंग का उसका कोई लफड़ा नहीं है ना?
No, we don't do any of that.
अबे तो क्या फायदा, छोड़ो, टिकटॉकर ही बनता हूँ, फिर काटता हूँ. बाय. What's up, guys? I am here with 3 super talented people. We have Chaitanya Haldankar, we have Shatabdi, and we have Mukul Richards. And let me tell you a little bit about these guys. Chaitanya, ladies and gentlemen, is apart from being a computer engineer, a math science teacher, he's also a model, entrepreneur, and a motivational speaker. Man, that's a lot of jobs, dude. That's a lot of... How are you? I think Chaitanya is the only man earning in the lockdown. He's like, इधर से पैसा नहीं आ रहा है, उधर से लो, उधर से नहीं आ रहा है, इधर से लो, इधर से नहीं आ रहा है, इधर से लो. And then we are just sitting here doing like Zoom shows and thinking, Garibi. But guys, he left a leading position at an MNC and opted an offbeat career like modeling, and he's associated with the top modeling agencies like Toab. He's done modeling for brands like Myntra, Bose, Skechers, Vivo, Manish Malhotra. Manish Malhotra is that dude who designs like clothes and stuff.
Yeah, I mean
हाँ, एक ही मनीष मल्होत्रा है यार, इतना क्या सोच रहा है यार, मतलब एक ही तो आदमी है मनीष मल्होत्रा. कौन सा, मैं तेरे बाजू वाले की बात कर रहा हूँ यार, कि अरे नहीं अंकल कल शक्कर भी लाए थे, अरे वो नहीं थे. And of course, apart from that, we have Shatabdi, who is an artist. She's a model, she's a painter, she's a blogger. Everybody's doing so much. I feel so sad. And of course, she was on the Top Model Season 1, the reality show, and half a decade of modeling career she's got behind her. She's been with top agencies like Toab and national brands like Lay's, Myntra, Nykaa, Lifestyle, and etc. Etc. is not a brand. I have to mention that. Etc. is something, guys, that you just say after a lot of names, okay? And last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mukul Richards, who is a professional makeup artist from Mumbai. She has worked with MAC for their backstage assistants. of fashion shows and developed content for Mac's Instagram handle. She's worked with celebrities like Jacqueline Fernandez, film agencies, television commercials, bridal makeup. Mukul can make me look nice. So guys, what I have to show you here is, now you guys know that Diwali is around the corner, right? Diwali, right? Diwali is going to happen. So here's what we're going to do. I need some outfits to be selected. The problem is I only wear white shirts. Every video, every social occasion I go to, I only wear white shirts. It's my thing, yes. So Shatabdi is like, और कुछ तेरे को सूट भी नहीं करेगा, झाड़िए. So I know that, okay. I know that. So the point is, my fiance is very pleased with this about white shirts. So she's like, buy some new clothes in Diwali, wear something different, right? And she wants me to buy clothes for her as well. So you guys are going to help me select an outfit. It's either going to be for me or for her. That will depend on your choice. But before you select an outfit, I want to show something to the people watching this video. So you guys will not be seeing this. So I simply want the three of you to close your eyes. Okay? Keep your eyes shut. Just close your eyes. Close them. Yeah. All three of you now keep your eyes shut. Do not open your eyes. I'm going to quickly show the audience what I have here. Do not open your eyes. Okay, people watching this at home, watching the video right now, this is what you people have to remember. All three of you keep your eyes closed. Guys watching this video right now, remember this. Every single detail about this right now, remember it. Also remember the fact that this is blue on the back, right? So as to not confuse it with the deck we're going to use, I'm going to place this right here. Now you guys can open your eyes, guys. Open your eyes. Lovely. Now can you see this? This right here? This is going to stay here in the frame the whole time. Okay. I have shown the audience what this is. So basically I cannot change my commitment now. I'm committed to this. Okay. Now we've got a stack of outfits here. There's 40 of them. What I want you guys to do is, I want you guys to give me a single digit number. We'll start with Chaitanya. Chaitanya, name a single digit number. Any number you like.
2.
2. All right. Mukul, go for a single digit number.
3.
3. And lastly, Shatabdi, you can go for a number as well.
5.
5. Now, before we move on, I'm going to give you guys 5 seconds to change your mind. If any one of you wants to change your mind, change it right now. Okay, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Chaitanya has changed his mind to 3. So now we have 3. Mukul, do you want to change your mind? You're happy with 3?
I would like to change it to 7.
Okay, no problem. We can still do 7. My apparently 5 seconds were not enough. Anyway. Shatabdi, you still want to stick to 5 or change it?
No, I'll stick to 5.
All right. So we're going to add up your digits now. The idea is to add up your digits. So we have 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 5 is 15. So we're going to look at the 15th card amongst these 40 outfits. Whatever is the 15th outfit, that is going to be the 3 of your selection. Okay. So I'm going to count these down slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's the 15th one right here. Now think about this, guys. You guys went through 2 different numbers. Shatabdi was the only one who stuck to her choice. This is the 15th outfit right here. If you would have said a different number, you would have landed on a different outfit. As of now, the 15th outfit happens to be this one. So you've technically selected an outfit for my fiance. Okay, you're my friends, but you went for her first. Very good. But the idea is that you could have said you could have said any number and you could have gotten any one of these 40 outfits, right? Chaitanya and Mukul, you even changed your mind. Now, this is important for the audience watching this video. I never called you up and said, hey, say particularly this number, did I?
You did not.
No.
So this was a random choice you genuinely made on your own. And you changed your mind, Mukul and Chaitanya. You stuck to 5, Shatabdi, which is fantastic. And you ended up with this outfit.
Correct.
Which is going to be a little problem because I put an outfit here. I believed you will select this one. Which is I just want to say that 90% of the times this trick works. 10% of the times it doesn't. And today happens to be one of those 90%, because there you go, ladies and gentlemen, that is the same outfit I put there even before you said the numbers out loud. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Blue card. Okay, that's the only difference. Otherwise, there's no difference. Same outfit, same girl. They are twins. They are twins. This is Sita, this is Geeta, or maybe if transgenders in Karan and Arjun. I don't know. I don't know who they are. Okay, I just colored them up, right? But you know what's the funny part about this entire experiment? What is really funny about this entire experiment?
Yeah.
is that most of the people watching the video right now, especially the trolls, are going to start commenting by now. ए 40 के 40 पत्ते पे यही बनाए लाए लड़के ने, हाँ हम लोग का आता है मालूम ना? क्या? I just want to clear something up for you guys. What is important to realize is the deck has not left the frame even once. I have not put the deck down. I have not let it go even off camera. It's been there in the camera throughout the whole thing. And you said that you, by your own free will, selected the numbers that you selected
Yeah.
leading up to 15. But that's actually not true. I wanted you to select the numbers that you selected. I somehow wanted the total to be 15 because I knew I put this card in the 15th position in the deck. And it kind of worked. Because if you would have said 14, or if your total would have been 13 or even 16 or 17, the trick would have failed because the other outfits don't exist. Do you realize what I'm saying? The other outfits, they don't exist. They're not there. Do not adjust your cameras. Every single card here is blank. There is nothing printed on any of these cards apart from the 15th card, the exact number that you people came up with. The entire deck is blank. And that, ladies and gentlemen, how you do Diwali shopping!
Yes! Yes! Oh my
I know,
god. Dude, what happened? What just happened? Oh god.
Shatabdi is just stunned right now. She's stunned.
You know,
You
as
are
as
kidding.
mind blown as I am right now, I'm also thinking that if Karan takes his fiance for shopping, he can make her buy only the cheapest one, you know, and she'll always feel that she chose it.
He chose it, yes.
She chose
No,
it.
you know, the best part is no. But I've done that already. She thinks she's marrying me because she loves me.
No,
And
Karan
she
will be
thinks she
like, Kar. Karan will be like,
what?
Kar, choose Kar.
Choose. There are 15 guys here. Pick one, anyone you like. I'm not going to influence you. What guy are you thinking of? I think of you. That's all. So you saw. My in-laws are there. You guys saw. I
कुछ नहीं किया मैं.
कुछ नहीं किया मैंने. But thank you so much for doing this, guys. And I really appreciate you guys giving your time. Guys, people watching at home, I am going to leave their Instagram handles in the description. So please go ahead and follow them on Instagram. And of course, we have Shatabdi, we have Mukul Richards, and we have Chaitanya Haldankar. We're going to leave their Instagram handles in the description. So follow them. And of course, follow me also on Instagram. किया कि नहीं अभी तक? तुम लोग का ना मतलब करो फटाफट चलो. And don't forget, like, share, hit the bell icon, eat some pav bhaji. It's up to you. Do anything you want after you subscribe to the channel. I'm not going to control your life, okay? I can't. But subscribe.